Hi guys, I'm David and this is Jeanette. Together we are Low Range 4x4 Adventures. For the last few years we have been doing some epic trips to amazing locations across Australia. Subscribe and like our videos and hit the notification bell to join us on our adventures. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram.
Well, morning guys, we're day 4 at Moreton Island. We're heading south today, going to go down the western coast to the southern tip and have a look along there, and then back up the eastern beach, Rous Battery, and head along Middle Road back towards the centre of the island and Tangalooma, and hopefully go snorkeling again on the wrecks today, this afternoon. So that'll be probably pretty much what we get done today. So we're just heading down the western beach. It's half an hour from low tide, coming down to the low, and so that's the only time where you can really run down here very easily. It's quite soft, but yeah, it's alright. Looks like a beautiful day, so we should have a lovely day heading down here to the southern point. Just coming up along the western beach now, and there's what's left over of an old wreck just on the water's edge. There seems to be a lot of old wrecked boats on Moreton Island. They're scattered all over the place. I think some of them were put there on purpose, like up at Bulwer. But some of these other ones, I guess have just been scuttled over the years when they were of no use anymore. Another one just down the beach there a bit further. Absolutely beautiful piece of the world we're in at the moment. Absolutely beautiful.
Spotted heaps and heaps of tiny little baby crabs. I'm going to see if I can get a bit of video of them without scaring them. That's crazy.
The big sand hills on the western beach of Moreton Island. We go for a wander up and have a look, and yeah, I think this is a fair bit steeper than the desert that we were at yesterday, but looks pretty cool. Pretty imposing sand dune. When they say big sand hill, they do mean big sand hill. It just keeps going and going and going. About halfway up, and the view back towards Brisbane city and all the ships coming in and out. Bloody beautiful. So we've just been down to Reader's Point, which is the most southern point of Moreton Island, and had a bit of a look there, look over towards North Stradbroke Island and Amity Point, and we've just come back to the gutter bar. It's just 9:30, so the gutter bar's just opened. So we go and check the gutter bar out. Everyone comes here when they come to Moreton apparently, so this is the gutter bar here. I'm just wandering in to have a look. We'll go in and check it out. What are you having, bub? Bevy? Gotta have a bevy at the gutter bar. Eh? I reckon. Gutter bar's got all these little spots all through the beer garden where you can hide and go and have your drinks and a bit of a feed. The East Beach, Moreton Island. Surf looking pretty gnarly. The waves looking pretty gnarly. Got about 3 hours to high tide, so we shouldn't have too much drama going up here. Hopefully it's quite a soft beach from all accounts, but we'll make our way up and see how we go. A lot of erosion on the beach. Not long after we come on, we had to come back off again, and we're just in behind the foraging, and there's a lot of trees over and that on the beach, and the beach is just not passable over there at the moment. There's trees down everywhere, and the surf's coming right up to the edge of the dune, basically.
Hey, just got a little goanna on the side here. Just passing really slowly. Try not to scare him. It's only a little one. Oh, there he goes. Off into the bush. He's not in any sort of hurry. Enjoying a bit of sun.
Back on the beach again, and it's pretty soft this side, but persevere and get on up
the top of the hill. Beautiful view out to the ocean. It wasn't too far to walk up here. It's as you can see, the trees are grown up so you can't see so well, but it's well hidden. Oh, the door fell off. It's like a fireplace. It's like there's been a lot of visitors come in over the years. Leave their mark. Just down the back here, looks like a water tank. Right, we just come across another building. Dave spotted, not sure what this is, but it looks like you can walk down into it. Nice and cool.
So we just found another little building. Looks like it's all underground. So we'll go down and have a look. Nell's got some light on her phone, so hopefully that'll help light it up a bit.
Oh,
Oh, it's just like right down in the bunker here. Some colourful words on the walls. We just found what I presume would be the gun emplacement here, where they had their gun. It looks like the big rotary area, and just down in here would be your where they had all the loaders and everything, the shells to come up for the gun. Pretty similar to the stuff we saw in Darwin, but this has obviously not been all fixed up, but pretty gnarly. So cool down inside these buildings.
I'm scared.
Yeah, so that would have been a shell loader over there. Back outside, and to be where the gun went. Don't know if the gun was ever fired, but had a pretty good view from the bunker above. But middle road on Moreton, you can understand why when someone gets stuck coming through here creates such a drama, because it's one way and there's literally no way around them. So so when people get stuck on here with trailers and whatever else, when the track's really soft, it causes all sorts of dramas. So
it's been just freshly graded, so
yeah, this morning a fella with a
nice and hard,
like an end loader ran through here with the end loader, and like the bucket must have just scraped it, sort of leveled it out a bit. It's quite good going through here today.
Okay, so our trip to Moreton's sort of ended. We're loading onto the barge now to head back to Brisbane. So it's been an awesome week, having a real good time. The weather's been beautiful the last couple of days, so Yeah. Anyway, I guess good things got to come to an end eventually. So.
Unfortunately. But yeah, we'll head on back and yeah, start planning the next adventure. How's it going?
And David.
Yeah.
Yes.
Two in the car?
Yes.
Yeah. All good, bud. Just stop at the top of the ramp, thanks.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Thanks, buddy. I've probably been after the car. Oh well, we won't be doing Brandon's cars.
Well, bye Moreton, you've been great. Lovely trip, really enjoyed it. Some awesome snorkeling, some awesome sand driving, some awesome views, some awesome camping. Bloody awesome.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. As you can see, we stuffed up again and we didn't have the microphone working. I'm probably just whinging about the Brisbane traffic, but we did have an awesome few days on Moreton Island. Can't wait to go back again. So if you liked our video, please hit the subscribe button, click the bell and give us a thumbs up. Have an awesome week, guys. Bye.